What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Cardano ADA, currently trading for 47 cents from an all-time high of $3 is set in September 2021. We saw Cardano ADA dump more than 86% from that all-time high. Should we start buying some Cardano ADA right now? Cardano was one of the huge gainers in the previous bull run. It went from as low as $0.02 to as high as $3, more than 100x return on your investment. If you invested $1,000 in Cardano right here, you would have cashed out more than $100,000. Should you be expecting big moves for Cardano in the coming days or the coming weeks, or should we be expecting a dump? The Cardano Vasil update is expected to be a bullish event, but macro fears are strongly countering the upside buyers. We'll be taking a look at Cardano's performance against Bitcoin, Cardano's performance against Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at Cardano's market cap. It currently sits at $16 billion. Is that the low we'll set in this bear market, or are we going to continue dumping to gobbling town? Can we come to as low as $1 billion? Maybe $500 million? We'll be talking about how low we can go in this bear market and how high we can go if we're going to get a relief rally in Cardano. But first, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, Cardano is up 1.9% in the last 24 hours. All coins are actually pumping. We have a very green day. In the last 1 week, it's up 6.4%, but in the last 1 month, it's down 11.1%, and in the last 1 year, it is down 82.6%. Should we start buying some Cardano ADA right now? Is the bottom in? Should we be expecting further downsides for Cardano in this bear market? Guys, we've been in a bear market since November 2021. Cardano actually topped in September 2021 around $3. Since then, we have not really had any relief rally for Cardano ADA. It has just been dumping into gobbling town. It has lost more than 86% of its value in more than 362 days. Is the bottom in? Should we be expecting some 2018 style recovery? After Cardano went from as high as $1.3 in 2018, we saw it lost more than 97% of its value before we had a relief rally that took it up more than 269%. Should we be expecting a relief rally in Cardano that will take it up more than 261%, maybe to as high as $1.6? Guys, we have an update coming up very soon. The Cardano Vasil update is expected to be a bullish event, but macro fears are countering the upside buyers. Cardano eyes 15% rally despite Charles Hoskinson fear over macro factors. Guys, if everything was normal, we're expecting Cardano to be pumping, but right now it looks as if the economy is heading towards recession. There's a lot of factors in play that's making the price dump. Guys, we had a huge run up in Cardano and we don't expect it to just start pumping to new highs. We should expect a period of long consolidation. Anytime you see an asset pump this well, over 100x, guys, should expect at least 400 days of downward price action or consolidation. We have seen it happen so many times. You see it in Cardano itself. In 2018, we saw Cardano went from $0.01 to as high as $1.3. In just 86 days, it went up over 6,800%, a 68x return on your investment. It meant $1,000 invested here would have returned over $6,800. It meant $1,000 invested here would have returned over $68,000. But guys, what happened after that? After using just 86 days to have that kind of huge pumps, we saw Cardano, before it finally found its bottom, it took around 800 days. You want to be careful buying the dip right now. Cardano can still dip way lower than this. Critical support levels you want to be looking out for Cardano throughout this bear market is the 0.38 level. We have a strong support right there, and if that level doesn't hold, nobody wants to see us hit this level, but it's very possible Cardano can come to as low as $0.13. That's very possible. We have seen it do that in the previous bear market. In the previous bear market, Cardano dropped more than 98% from its all-time high. Right now, it's down more than 80% from its all-time high. If it gets to that 0.13 level, we will see Cardano dumping more than 95% from its all-time high. And that's normal for all coins. A lot of altcoins do this in the bear market, and in the next bull run they recover. Even though we have been having relief rallies in the crypto market, all coins have been pumping. You can see that in the last 2 months, Cardano has not really pumped. We have just been ranging in this 40% range. It went from as low as 0.40 to as high as 0.67. A 67% range. We have not been able to break out of that range in the last 3 months. Most times, after you see this kind of range, we're just going to break down to the downside. This doesn't look like it's very, very bullish on chart pattern. We might break down to the downside. And guys, in the last 1 month, we've seen Cardano go to as high as $0.59 and as low as $0.42. It has a market cap of $16 billion. Ranked number 8 on CoinMarketCap. We have over 2.2 million people that have Cardano ADA on their watch list. We have 34.1 billion ADA in circulation out of a maximum 45 billion tokens. Now, where can you get some Cardano ADA if you want to get some to hold through the bear market? If you believe at some point in time we're going to see new all-time highs, you don't care about the price today, you just want to buy and hold and believe that one day we'll see ADA trading for $10, you can get some Cardano ADA on Binance, on Coinbase, on Qcoin, BitTop, Kraken, and anywhere you get your favorite altcoins. Guys, another warning signals you want to be paying attention to during the bear market is that the altcoin season index is flashing alt season. Now, history has shown us that anytime this index is flashing alt season, that's a telltale sign for you to start selling your altcoins. Because guys, after alt season comes a very huge dump, and when that dump comes, a lot of altcoins will be affected. Most times when the market dumps, all coins are affected the most. But when we have alt season, it means all coins are outperforming Bitcoin. Definition of alt season is if 75% of the top 50 coins are performing Bitcoin over the last 90 days, it's alt season. Now, in those top 50 coins, we're excluding stable coins than in the top 50 coins. And you can see that in the last 90 days, all coins have been outperforming Bitcoin, but we have not seen Cardano ADA pump anywhere. Now, let's take a look at how Cardano ADA is performing against Bitcoin. Against Bitcoin, Cardano ADA has been pumping, but that's nothing to write home about. From where he bottomed in 13th of May, from where it bottomed on the 13th of May 2022, we have seen it rise more than 57% against Bitcoin. But we have seen a lot of altcoins rise 100, 200%. And guys, there's no any rule that says Cardano must actually pump really hard against Bitcoin. It has done most of the pumping during the bull run. We saw Cardano from March 2020 outperform Bitcoin by over 1,300%. And guys, if you put into context that Bitcoin went from $3,000 to $69,000, Cardano still outperformed Bitcoin by over 1,000%. And after huge pumps like this in the crypto market, we expect a long period of downward action and consolidation. Just look at what Cardano did in 2018. After outperforming Bitcoin by over 2,200% in just 53 days, it took more than 800 days for it to finish consolidating. From that top in the 1st of January 2018, Cardano finally started pumping in December 2020, more than 1,084 days after dropping 94% from its all-time high against Bitcoin. So we're not in a haste right now. The bear market is still going to be a very, very long time. Most times, all these altcoins pump at the ending phases of the next bull run. So maybe Cardano will get to $3, back to $5, or maybe even $10. But guys, we need to see Bitcoin showing signs of life, and that's not happening right now. We are not even sure if the bottom is in for Bitcoin. Now, if you take a look at Cardano versus Ethereum's price chart, this is a very, very interesting chart. We saw that Cardano pumped well against Ethereum from October 2017 till it finally topped right here on the 1st of January 2018. It has been ranging since the 1st of January 2018. Guys, it finally found its bottom after ranging for over 1,098 days. Now, when we pumped in the 2021 bull run, we couldn't set new all-time highs. We couldn't go to the high we set in 2017 for Cardano against Ethereum. We saw Cardano outperform Ethereum in the 2021 bull run. From January 2021 to when Cardano finally topped around August 2021, it outperformed Bitcoin by over 333%. Ethereum actually went from $100 to as high as $4,800, and Cardano still outperformed it. Very, very impressive, but there's consequences to every pump you see, and that means we'll be actually dumping, and we're dumping right now. We've come back to the bottom of that range. Cardano has lost more than 75% of its value. Guys, we don't want to see Cardano break this level against Ethereum during the bear market. If not, we might be setting new lows. If you take a look at Cardano's market cap, it looks as if it's just hanging in the air, waiting for a little news or a little event before we might start dumping. We might see Cardano's market cap come to as low as $1 billion. Right now, it's around $1.6 billion. For it to get to $1 billion, it means we're going to lose another 38, maybe 40% from where we are right now. That's very possible. There's a strong support for Cardano at that $1 billion level. From the all-time high, if we get to $1 billion, it means that Cardano would have dropped more than 90% from its all-time high. The all-time high for Cardano's market cap is $97.1 billion. It got there in September 2021. Guys, just as late as March 2020, Cardano had a market cap of $50 million. And guess what? It went up over 19,000% in just 543 days. So crazy things can happen when the market is pumping. When the market is dumping, you don't want to underestimate the dump. Just like when the market is pumping, you don't want to underestimate the pump. Look at Cardano in the previous bear market. It took it more than 800 days to find this bottom. Right now, we are just 400. Right now, we're just 383 days into the current bear market for Cardano. So how long will it take for it to find this bottom? Only time will tell. Guys, drop a thought in the comment section. Tell me, do you think this is the right time to start buying some ADA in preparation for the next bull run? Or should we start selling our stash? Or should we just be hodling through the chaos, expecting at some point in time we'll see Cardano ADA going to as high as $4, $5, maybe $10 in the future, and there's no need just buying and selling right now. Just hodl till the end. I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. 7